Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I got some mail to share today. I just received this from Cruising with Crystal. Hey girl, hey. And what I love about the crafting community, okay? When there's people in need in the crafty community, I saw it yesterday. People reach out and support that person, which was amazing. It was on Instagram, and I don't remember the names of who had participated, but they're on Instagram in very popular big groups supporting. And somebody had made a birthday wish for this chair for her crafting space. And within an hour or two, you finally see some posts on Instagram responding with, help your girl out. And then within a matter of minutes, you get another post stating her birthday wish has been granted. That is amazing. So what I have here today is similar to that. I did a haul for Dollar Tree. I also had mentioned I am participating in a upcoming swap, and it's for a binder embellishment swap. Well, I've been searching high and low for my Dollar Tree and from Walmart for the mini binders. And my girl Crystal, she heard my cry without me asking. I said, I can't find this dang thing. I think I might have to make it myself, DIY it or something. And she came through for me. So I only slit the envelope. So let's see what she sent to me with her big heart. I love you, Crystal. I didn't have to do this. Look at what she sent to me. This sucker is so hard to find. It's like the unicorn, you know, you can't, at least in my area. And it seems silly because, you know, it's a binder. It's $1, a mini binder. And I think this is like 8 inches. So I was hell-bent on finding this dang thing. Okay, so 9 inches. A 9-inch little binder, giving me the hardest time of my life. And she sent me this little binder, and she sent me goodies. Oh my God. Crystal! Oh my God, look, see how sweet she is? She said, sharing is caring, happy crafting, love, Cruising with Crystal. Oh girl, I just got goosebumps. Thank you, my darling. Look at you. You are my superhero. Oh, the binder was all I needed. Look what she did. Look at what she did. I'm in shock, Crystal. Oh my God, girl. These little gestures go such a long, long way. Look at this. This is, I guess it's French, right? I would not even try to pronounce that, but this one says airmail. Look at how sweet that is. Is this a card? It is a card. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at the envelope. Oh, how cute. And this one says merci beaucoup. Thank you, Crystal. I can't read French for nothing. And it says airmail. Look at how cute. Even the inside is so cute. I love that. Oh my goodness. Crystal, you're too sweet. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, girl. I'm looking forward to doing our swap. We had chit-chat real quick on Instagram, and I said I want to do a swap with her. A one-on-one swap, and I would love to do it, girl. Let's do this. Oh my gosh. Look at these fancy stickers. Wow. Together until the end of time. The key to my heart. Always and forever. Together forever, sweet love. Oh my goodness, true love. Oh, so pretty. Crystal, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And this is this godsend. Thank you so much. Now I can get busy with it and get this thing done. Look at that. The crafting world. There are a lot of us out there who have big hearts. And Crystal, you are definitely one of them. I love you, girl. The good always outweighs the bad. So stay positive, guys. Be a helping hand out there. Crystal, you're a perfect example of this. I love you, girl. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.